Hi everyone, today I will share this wonderful stuffed jalapenos wrapped in bacon recipe. This is another one that was a big hit on Mother's Day a couple of weeks ago. For 5 servings you will need 10 large jalapenos, and here I will give you a little tip. Make sure the jalapenos are clear of brown stripes running across, because the brown stripes indicate that the jalapenos are pretty spicy. You will also need 10 strips of thinly sliced bacon, but make sure you have a few extra ones in case you bought large jalapenos. You will also need 2 tablespoons of blackberry preserve, brown sugar, an 8-ounce container of cream cheese, and of course toothpicks. Start by slicing the jalapenos in halves and using a small measuring spoon clean the seeds and the white tissue from the inside to reduce the spiciness. And if you have sensitive skin, make sure to wear latex gloves. And if you don't wear gloves, be careful not to touch your eyes for a while afterwards. Next, mix the cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of the blackberry preserve. And if you don't want as much preserve, just add 1 tablespoon, and I will show you the difference in a second. After you mix it well, using a cheese knife, start stuffing the jalapenos. So those are using mixture with 2 tablespoons of blackberry preserve, and those are using just 1 tablespoon of blackberry preserve. And I like both equally. So once you're done, place the stuffed jalapenos in the freezer for about 30 or 40 minutes. By doing so, you will assure the cream cheese won't leak while baking the jalapenos, and the jalapenos themselves won't get mushy. After 40 minutes, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and start wrapping the stuffed jalapenos in bacon. Make sure it's just a single layer of bacon, as the doubling will prevent the bottom layer to crisp up. For smaller jalapenos, use half a strip of bacon and a whole strip for the larger ones. If needed, use toothpicks to secure the bacon. Next, place a sheet of parchment paper on a baking tray and arrange the jalapenos. Sprinkle with sea salt and brown sugar. Place the tray in the oven, 2 levels up from the bottom of the oven, and bake them for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, turn the oven off and turn the broiler on and broil the jalapenos for about 5 minutes, but keep an eye on them and make sure the bacon doesn't get all burned. And this is my stuffed jalapenos recipe. I hope you enjoy, and if you like this recipe, please give my video the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And as always, I love you all. Goodbye.